What's up, guys? This is your Emperor of the Lone Star Empire. Today I will be reviewing this eclipse fighter fun show called Freemakers. First off, let's start with the characters. You got Dengard, which is speeder that come with a set also. Then you got Nari, and everybody said she had two faces. And the ship is pretty nice for people that actually watch the show, for little kids. When I first got the ship, I like it just by this feature. Super basic. In the show, she got lightsabers are red and blue. Fortunately, I like the original piece of that lightsaber piece, but fortunately, I found more of it. And I say, the only rare piece he doesn't get in another set is this. So this is my review of the Eclipse Fighter, and bye.